Yue, a full-category service provider in the commercial props field, has always been committed to deeply integrating creative design, intelligent manufacturing, construction implementation, and digital services. We provide customers with one-stop space solutions from concept to delivery, including exclusive store props, pop-up stores, display windows, DP props, and basic decoration. Mainly serving beauty field, many brands under international cosmetics groups such as L'Oreal, Estée Lauder, Coty, etc. In the field of fashion and sports, brands such as Adidas, Boston, Archaeopteryx, technology, lifestyle, and retail sectors, China Mobile, Panasonic, Midea, Disney, and other industry brands. We have core advantages, including design and development system. Our design and development team comprises professionals specializing in creativity, visual effects, craftsmanship, structural engineering, and more. Deeply explore the core of the brand, accurately understand the brand's needs and vision, and combine factors such as store location and customer characteristics to create customized solutions that combine functionality and user experience. From spatial flow planning to creating lighting atmosphere, from macro layout to detail carving, we achieve a high degree of unity between brand space and visual image with comprehensive design capabilities. Intelligent manufacturing matrix. We have gathered nearly 200 industry elites and have a modern intelligent manufacturing base of nearly 20,000 square meters, equipped with full process production lines for metal processing, wood processing, acrylic products, painting, and pre-assembly. With advanced manufacturing equipment and craftsmanship, we rigorously minimize product deviations and ensure high-precision standardized manufacturing. Through a fully automated production system, we can quickly respond to customer needs while ensuring the stability and consistency of product quality. Whole process quality control system. We have established more than 10 precision quality inspection nodes that run through raw material procurement, production and processing, and finished product packaging. We strictly implement the ISO 9001 quality management system standard and form a complete quality closed loop from the source to the end. Each quality inspection process is operated by a professional quality inspection team equipped with high-precision testing instruments. We ensure that every product meets excellent quality standards through standardized operating procedures and digital management methods. Fast delivery network. 48-hour emergency response system for installation and after-sales services. Widely deployed cooperative installation of after-sales stations in first and second-tier cities to ensure efficient handling of emergency needs. When a customer requests urgent delivery, the team immediately activates the emergency plan, optimizes production and distribution processes, and ensures timely delivery of the project. In terms of after-sales service, we provide 24/7 service, rush to the scene to solve problems in the first time, and provide customers with worry-free service guarantee throughout the process. We are committed to advancing intelligent innovation and form a professional R&D team to break through technological boundaries. By deeply integrating RFID intelligent systems and electronic screens with traditional commercial props, innovative solutions such as unmanned vending and customer flow detection are launched to reshape the retail space experience and lead the new trend of smart marketing. Sustainable development is our core strategy, actively practicing green concepts and obtaining national environmental protection production qualifications. By adopting a photovoltaic power supply system, approximately 180 tons of carbon dioxide emissions can be reduced annually. By using recyclable and renewable materials, we aim to improve energy efficiency, reduce waste emissions, and create a green and environmentally friendly production model. Looking ahead to the future, we will continue to uphold the corporate values of innovation, focus, efficiency, rigor, and pragmatism. With the development concept of Smart Future, accelerates the layout of global production and installation service stations, and strive to become the preferred space ecological partner for global brands, injecting wisdom and strength into the global expansion of the brand, and continuously advancing in the field of one-stop space solutions.